One very important step in case of valuation using comparable company method is to identify differences between the comparable company and the target company and make adjustment for those differences. So the first step that you need to follow, compare the target company and the comparable company. Identify the areas of difference between these two companies, and then using your judgment, your expertise, your knowledge, your experience, quantify as to what kind of adjustments need to be made, and whatever adjustments that are required to be made, please remember, jot them down. It has to be anything that you do in valuation has to be a reasoned one. So whatever adjustment you are making, you must give a reason for it, so that tomorrow if a need arises, you should be able to explain as to why you did whatever you did. So just to give you an idea, what are the reasons for which there can be differences between a comparable company and your target company? So the difference can be, number one, on account of the size, sales, profit, growth, profit margin, return on equity, return on capital employed, on certain industry or some other certain industry specific factors that you would be able to identify from time to time based on the matter that you are handling, and make adjustment for all these comparisons. And I'm just giving you some idea as to what kind of the factors can be for the differences between the target company and between the comparable company. Remember, difference can be on account of the products, on account of the market, on account of the product mix, on account of the price mix, on account of the number of customers, on account of the number of vendors, on account of the number of employees, on account of the number of plants, on account of so many factors. It can be a difference can be on account of the global presence, on account of the local presence, multi locational, multi plants. So all those areas, friends, you will need to identify areas of differences you need to identify between the comparable company and the target company. Use, as I said earlier, using your experience, expertise, judgment, knowledge, make adjustment for these differences so that the valuation that you arrive are truly comparable.